Okay, Bob, here's the engine that I have, which I believe it's a 3, okay? And I got all the good stuff down here. Both valves. I don't have a muffler for it, obviously, as you can see. There's nothing stamped on the plate, but the plate looks original, so I don't quite know what the deal with that is. So looks good in there. It's got compression and everything. It's just rubbing on the bands. It's got a good compression. Everything looks good with the crankshaft and such. I could see is that like a little rubber washer or something like that. This little split there, but the ears. Flywheel looks like it's in good shape. There's a casting mark right there on it. And you can see the pan. Anyway, that's the story.